afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz, and Daniel, tell us who you have in your hand today.
This is a British barn owl. It's a native of Europe and of England specifically. It's similar to the North American barn owl, which is a subspecies here in North America.
Okay, and how long have you had the owl?
This bird was bred in captivity at our facility for education purposes.
Okay.
She's about 12 years old.
12 years old, okay, and I'm going to focus in on, so the Center of Birds of Prey. If folks want to come visit, where is it located?
We are in Allendale, South Carolina,
Okay.
about 45 minutes north of Charleston.
Okay.
We're open to the public Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays from 10 to 5.
10 to 5, okay. And I know I've been there once. How many other species do you have there?
We've got about 50 species and 120 birds in our permanent collection.
Okay. All right, guys, we're going to sign off live over at Sun City with a beautiful barn owl. Have a great day.